Welcome to this short tutorial video about the second part of our winter release 2019-2020. The goals with this release are twofold. First, we aim to make it even easier and quicker for you to start a quest, and secondly, we would like to give you a better and more granular control options on how you share your feedback work with your colleagues. Create Quests is now your one-stop shop to start a new feedback initiative. It leads you to our brand new landing page that presents all your options in a modern, stylish, and intuitive way. Whether you would like to start from scratch, from one of our best practice templates, or from work you or your colleagues have done previously, it is all right there at your fingertips. Please pay special attention to the new and interactive grid that displays all available quests that you can duplicate. It features interactive sorting and drill down options, the option to flag selected quests as favorites, a powerful search function, and a new wizard to preview a quest before selecting it. In addition, the drill down option All Quests includes a new category called Shared for Duplication, which stands for the new way of sharing quests in an account amongst users that we will demonstrate in just a moment. Finally, note that the quest information visible on the landing page now includes a new internal comment, which you can add in the settings of a quest, and that allows you to distinguish between different versions of the quests, or to inform your colleagues what a particular quest is all about. Until now, the only way for you to share your feedback work with your colleagues and other users in your account was for you to share the folder where the quest was stored, or to place the quest in a shared folder owned by another user. Our new option, Share for Duplication, allows you to be more specific in what you would like to share. The option is available in the settings of the quest, and if activated, it makes your quest visible and searchable in the landing page of your colleagues when they click on Create Quest, without the previous requirement to share the folder where the quest was stored. Share for Duplication allows you to make your quest available to your colleagues and for them to duplicate it while keeping the feedback received under reporting and follow-up private. This concludes this short tutorial video. For more information about this release, please check the detailed release documentation, visit our user community, or feel free to reach out to your local Questback office.